Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Solana price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Starting on the daily chart here, we're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 toward the upside. Your wave 5 has to be finished as an impulse. Of course, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your wave 4 should not interfere with your wave 1 or as a contracting a diagonal, as an ending diagonal, where it is the most possible current scenario. Now, as we said in the last video, if we break, of course, those fib levels, therefore, the fib levels given on the 0.78 and we touch the 886, it means we're gonna take the low directly. And this is exactly what happened, meaning we're gonna see a deeper wave 2, of course, for this diagonal. And possibly, of course, hitting lower prices, meaning that this target right now is your wave 2 as a diagonal targets, which are preferably, of course, to be hit around the 0.618 and the 0.78. Now, of course, these are already hit and gone, so these are our next targets. Basically, we are in a contracting diagonal, meaning an ABC for a wave 1, ABC for a wave 2, also a zigzag for your wave 3, same for the 4, and same for the 5 to get, of course, a finished wave 5 here. Now, of course, your target for a wave 3 will be adjusted, of course, based on the price action here that we got at the bottom, and of course, in that way we're gonna figure out, of course, the new levels for a wave 3 or the perfect fib levels for a wave 3 for the next wave. Of course, in case that we dive deeper than this and we touch the 886, or well, possible to get the 886 anyway for wave 2 in diagonal, if we break it down, of course, that means we are still in a bigger correction toward the downside, and probably we are looking here for an expanding flat. Big, very big expanding flat, meaning that you are looking at a ABC here for 3 waves down and then 3 waves up for your wave B, and you are looking for 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 wave C, of course, toward the downside, reaching, of course, the 1.38 and 1.618 again. And you would like to hit, of course, the low again, meaning you would like to get a new low here, which is the only fib level at 1.618 at 102 for Solana. And in that way, of course, your wave 4 will move, of course, this area, of course, and then, of course, it might be the altcoin season that it might start, of course, from there after finishing the bull run of Bitcoin. So far, of course, it is a little bit early to call this. We need to break all these green levels for a wave 2 in contracting diagonal, and then we say, of course, if we are in a deeper correction, right, for a new wave 4 here as a low, and then moving toward the upside. Yeah, so these are the scenarios. Let's move a little bit closer here on the 1 hour chart. As you can see, this wave zigzag toward the downside, where we have probably here finished a, yeah, it looks a little bit like a expanding diagonal, but still it could be impulsive here as a motive wave, as expanding diagonal still. However, what we have here, of course, is a correction, and then you're looking at 1, 2, very big wave 1 or extended wave 1, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. And probably it's gonna hit a very, very deep for Solana. That was it for Solana. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one.